Come with me on this coffee and book run. I'm going to show you just how reliable my Bullet 500 is, and you might see me try to race a Harley. We'll see who wins. So I usually like to do a once over before I take off, usually like once a week. Quick oil check, we look good. You know, the Bullet, it vibrates so much, so we're kind of just checking if everything is tight, or if it's loose, need to tighten some bolts. Okay, cold start here. I already primed it, so we should be good. Just one kick. Boom, there we go. All right, let's hit the road. Another great day. We are heading out to the bookstore. I saw somewhere that there might be some motorcycle books, you know, history of Harley Davidson and history of Triumph. Some cool stuff like that. So we're gonna check out Barnes and Noble's here and grab a coffee since it's inside the establishment. So two birds with one stone. I don't really go to Barnes and Noble's too often. I try to do it when my fiance is at Trader Joe's, so I don't have to shop or grocery shop. But I'm usually forced to do both anyway, so. But it's fun. It's always cool to see what's going on there. I play music, so I like to check out the albums they have, just, you know, see what's going on. Usually it's like top hits and stuff like that, and kind of modern pop stuff, but still cool to, you know, just see what's going on there. And my God, it's, yeah, so this Barnes & Noble, it's in a Trader Joe's, and it's always packed. It's always crazy. It's probably actually a pretty dangerous place to ride around. There's so many cars everywhere. People not paying attention. But we made it safe, so we're good here. All right, made it. Every once in a while I forget the keys, so I try to make sure to bring the key along. It's crazy. All right, here we go. Let's get some coffee. All right, haters gonna hate. I love iced mochas. They're delicious. And I didn't see much in terms of motorcycle stuff. It's just magazines in the automotive area, but always gotta stop by the World War I, World War II area. Just check out what they got. Band of Brothers, my favorite. Love that book. And the new series, this book, Masters of the Air. Oh yeah, by the way, funny enough, I'm related to William Dawes, who rode with Paul Revere. I did not know that there was a book about it. All right, I didn't find any motorcycle books or anything, so we're gonna probably have to, unfortunately, check Amazon or something. So I meant to videotape me kicking the bike and leaving, but trust me, you know, it was one kick, it went on, so hey, not too bad, pretty reliable, right? Until it isn't. Trying to get the hell out of this parking lot, crazy parking lot, and hit the road. Now I mentioned might be racing a Harley here pretty soon, and I come up to a stoplight, and our buddy Harley rider's over here on the right hand side. Nothing crazy, he's just cruising. And yeah, he's a little faster than me. We're trying to hang on for dear life. I think he's in like third gear probably. So that's pretty funny. But it's all good, you know. One day we'll have a Harley in the garage too, so we'll be able to do both. Best of both worlds. So yeah, obviously that wasn't a real race. We're just, you know, pretending we're in fairy tale land on a Bullet 500 versus a Harley. Just funny to say, you know. But anyways, I didn't see any books there. I don't really know much about books with motorcycle stuff and all that. So if you guys do know anything, let me know in the comments. I'm curious if there's any sort of gold standard for reading material. Obviously not maintenance books. I'd rather not read those, but anything history or anything like that. So yeah, we'll see you next time.